Hey everybody. So today I want to talk to you about a tool that I've used that's helped me a lot. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm searching something in any search engine, a lot of times I have to weed through a bunch of BS to get to what I'm really looking for. And a way to combat this is to utilize Reddit. So the way to do it is just when you're searching, whatever you're searching, you add Reddit to the end of it. Reddit is very helpful because they have basically a individual forum for things. It's called a subreddit, and that's a specific forum for each subject. And literally, there's hundreds, thousands, millions, who knows, subreddits. So anything that you could think of is probably a subreddit for it. And within these subreddits, big or small, are people who are usually pretty passionate about what they're talking about. And if you want to take it a step further, you can become active in the community. But for me, for instance, one way it's been helpful is, like, I'm a big Resident Evil fan, for instance, and I didn't really have any other friends really that knew much about it, or just, I guess they didn't care about it. But here, I was able to find a community, become active, and talk to a lot of people who like the same thing that I like. And that's just one example. Like I said, there's a ton of subreddits. But the one where it really paid off for me was when I was starting to get into finance. So I'm relatively new to learning about finance, or I'm 20, about to turn 28. I just started really learning about finance in the last year and a half. But I was constantly using the personal finance subreddit, which has over 13.5 million subscribers. And throughout 13.5 million, there's a ton of people who know what they're talking about. And what's good about it too is, if there is somebody, there's people, they're trolls there too, obviously, like anywhere on the internet. But with the comment system, you can either give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And if something gets a thumbs down, it gets weeded out. So that's why Reddit is very powerful too, because the good information is usually pushed right to the top. It sticks right out. And if it's somebody who's just trolling, it usually gets downloaded a ton and gets completely removed. So I reference this for everything. So when I was talking when I need to learn about interest rates, what loan should I pay off, which IRA should I have, a Roth IRA, traditional IRA. And what's great, it's like there's so many different subreddits, so you can learn about any single thing, especially a topic like finance. I don't know about you, but there's not many people that I can talk to about finance. I have a couple friends who know a little bit about it, but my family, I never learned anything about finance, like I said, just recently. My family never taught me anything. I never learned anything in school. I've noticed that as I've begun to learn more about it and I talk to other people about it, you can tell a lot of people just kind of shy away from it or completely just shut it down. It's almost esoteric at this point, which is kind of sad, honestly, because if we as a generation had more financial intelligence, we would all be much better off. So using Reddit has literally paid off. No pun intended. If I just want to ask you guys, if you guys have ever used Reddit as a reference to learn a lot about a subject, please let me know in the comments what that was. Like I stated, Reddit has helped me a ton at multiple different times. And just recently, again, it helped when I needed a video editing software. So I knew about some video editing software, but I wanted a free software that was powerful. So I searched free video editing software, Reddit at the end, in the search engine, and it brought me to the video editing subreddit. And here I searched through a couple different posts, see the people's testimonies, like why this is good, why this is bad. And eventually, I narrowed it down to a couple, did a little more research, and then on Reddit, and it came to a video editing software, and I use it, I've been using it for this channel, and it's been great. So I could have used other means to find out this, but what's great is that everything's in one place. They don't have to weed through all the crap, because you don't even need an account on Reddit to utilize this method. All you have to do is go to the website, or just use the exact method I've outlined here, and you can get all the information you need. You don't have to comment, you don't need an account. All you have to do is be asking the right questions, searching the right things. will bring you everything you need. Hey, so if you guys like this and find this helpful, subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think. In any way that you use Reddit that's helped you, let me know. I want to hear how you guys utilize it.